Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the welder's wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. As for today, we are doing another What's for Dinner, but today's is very special because it is a collab with my friend Kristen from Kristen's Step. She does amazing What's for Dinner videos. She does grocery hauls, and she also does this really cool thing where she shows what she packs her husband in his lunchbox, and I love those. They're one of my favorite videos to watch. So make sure you guys go check her out. I will leave a link to her video and her channel down below. She's absolutely so sweet. You guys will love her if you're not already subscribed because she's amazing, and probably everybody here is already subscribed, but if not, make sure you go check her out. She's amazing. If you are coming from Kristen's channel, hello and welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe to my channel. I do What's for Dinners once a week as well. I also do some cleaning and some vlogging and a bunch of different other stuff. So I hope you will stick around and subscribe and join my YouTube family. Another little tidbit thing I have in today's video is a little summertime treat that's a little bit different. So make sure you stick around to the end so you can see what I'm talking about. But let's hop into today's What's for Dinner. On the first night, we are going to be making goulash. Now, there are many different ways to make goulash, but this is the way I love to make it, and this is the way that I grew up eating it, how my mom made it, and how my grandma made it. And so I'm going to show you today how I make our goulash. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take a pound of ground beef, and I'm going to start browning that. And while that's browning, I'm going to take a little bit of onion, not a whole lot, and then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of garlic powder to the meat as well, and then I'm going to just brown that until it is done. And in the meantime, I am boiling some water for the elbow noodles. So once the water comes up to a nice boil, I'm just going to add as much elbow noodles as you want. This is really going to depend on how many people you're trying to feed. This also is a really good leftover option, or if you have a husband that works and you pack leftovers, this is a great option as well. And so then I just add, or once the noodles are done, I just add that ground beef after I've drained it, and then I add 3 small cans of tomato sauce, and I buy the small cans. That way I can just determine how much sauce I'm going to need. We top ours with just some pepper and some shredded cheese, and this is so delicious. And it's like I said, this is so easy to make. So if you're a working mom like me, this is perfect. Sadly, I accidentally deleted the footage of me making these, so I'm going to explain these the best way that I can without showing you guys a video. I am so sorry, but all these are like mini calzones. We actually call them pizza puffs. So what you do is you get 2 cans of the croissants or the Crescent Rolls, whatever you want to call them, and then you just peel them apart, and then you take one and you put marinara sauce, pepperoni, and cheese. You can put whatever you want to in these, and then you take another croissant and you lay that on top, and then I just smash down the edges with a fork, and then you're just going to bake them according to the croissant or crescent rolls that you buy. I know the Great Value ones and the other ones vary a little bit differently on how long and what the temperature is, so just follow the directions on there. And then I just served it with a side salad and of course some homemade ranch, which is so easy to make. I have 2 ways that I make it, but this night I just did a cup of buttermilk, a cup of mayo, and then a Hidden Valley ranch packet, and it's just so good. So much better than bottled ranch. So on the next night, we are making Philly cheesesteak sloppy joes, and this is a staple in our house. Toby loves it, the kids love it, they always eat it, everybody loves this meal, and it's so super simple. So I am just starting by browning a pound of hamburger meat, and then I'm going to dice up some onion and some green pepper. Once the meat is done, I will drain it, and then I will set it aside. And then I'm going to take the onion and green pepper and just saute those until they're nice and soft or brown. And then I am going to take a cup of beef broth, and I'm going to add it to the peppers and onions. And then I will add back that meat, and then once the juice gets almost gone, where it's nice and soaked up into the meat and the peppers and the onions, I am going to be adding a 4th cup of A1 sauce. And so this, oh my gosh, I feel like this is what really makes this recipe. It tastes so good. It's so delicious, and like I said, everybody in your family is going to love it. At least in our house they do anyways. So then I just add a little bit of mozzarella cheese into the meat. Not a whole lot, just a little bit, because then we like to top ours with some more mozzarella as well once we get it onto the buns. And then I just served it with some deli style potato wedges by Great Value. And then we like to dip our potato wedges in the chicken dipping sauce by Great Value from Walmart as well. So keeping it 100% real, we ordered takeout, Mexican takeout. I get a Steven special, which is just rice, cheese, and then I add chicken and steak and green peppers to mine, and it's just so delicious. So that was takeout night. That's what we did this week. I am a working mom if you were new, so sometimes, y'all, I am just too exhausted, and that is just the realness from me to you. So this is my summertime treat I wanted to share with you guys. So just get these mini cups. You can buy these at Walmart. This is a gallon of pickle juice that I get from a local store here. Then I take a turkey baster and I fill these up with pickle juice. Now, if you can't get a gallon of pickle juice, obviously you can use pickle juice from whatever kind of pickles you want. I just fill those up, pop the lids on them, and then I got this tray from the Dollar Tree just in their organizing section, and then I just pop those in there, and then I freeze them overnight. And the softball girls on my daughter's softball team absolutely love these, so I try to make them pretty often for them. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.